Hey there guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. So today we are just doing a quick update on our sprouts and all the seeds that's currently germinating right now. And let's start off with these black eyed peas. I'm super duper happy with my black eyed peas. It was a complete success as far as germination. I have 100% germination rate with this. So in each cell pod I placed 2 seeds. So in each one has 2 plants. So that's exactly what I was going for. So there's 2 here, 2 there, 1 down here. This one's having a hard time getting up out of that rocker wool, but 2 here. Oopsie, hold on, make sure I didn't, oh, I kind of tore a hole in it. Oopsie, I didn't mean to do that. I was trying to make more room for it to come out of there. It's having a hard time. That one's having a hard time coming out of there. Hope I didn't damage it too much just now. FYI to myself, don't mess around your plants while you're holding a camera in your hand. I am not that coordinated. And then there's 2 here, 2 there, and then all the way in the back there's another 2 in that cell. So it's 100% germination rate. Even if this one doesn't come out very well, I'm still happy. So there's 5 cells there, so that means there's 10 black eyed pea plants right here, and I'm super happy with that. Let's continue on. Like I was saying, this phone battery is dying and I don't have that much storage, so I have to make this fast. I'm super happy with my collard greens. I had 100% success rate with growing up collard greens. I have 3 in this one. I really wanted 3 to 4 collard green plants in one cell, but more than 3 germinated here. I ended up putting too many seeds in that one, so it's about 6 plants here, and I was thinking about killing a few of them because it's just way too much in that one slot, but I might just go ahead and let that stay in there and see what happens. And then this one here, there's 3 there, there's 3 here, and then there's 3 back there. So that's exactly what I wanted. So 100% germination rate with these collards. I'm really good with collards. Every time I plant them and grow them, I do really well with them, so I'm happy with that. The carrots, I am having some success with carrots. I have 2 carrot plants here. Oh, 3 now. I see a 3rd one coming in there. I researched it and they told me the carrot seeds need lots of water. So I added more water and immediately it started germinating. So now I know what it needed. So it's 3 here. It looks like it's about 3 there. Yes. There's 2 here, I see. One there, and then 1 back there, and I'm happy with that. So far, I'm happy with the carrots as well. If those ones that just have one single plant in it, if it germinates 1 or 2 more carrots, I'll be very happy with that as well. The carrots is my experiment. This is an experiment as far as placing them into my hydroponic towers and transplanting them over. So we'll see how that whole process goes. Now let's talk about these peas. So similar to the black eyed peas, I placed 2 beans in each pod. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pods here. I did 5 for the black eyed peas. So it should be 8 plants. However, not all of them are germinating. So I have 1 here. That other seed will not be germinating. I already count that as a loss. There's 2 here. 1 is sprouted and the other one is almost there. There's 1 here. That one's doing okay. The other one was not a success, so it'll only be 1 in that cell. And there's 2 here as well. So I will have 2, 4, 6 instead of 8. And I'm happy. I'm still happy with that with my peas. Let's continue on. Then we have our tomatoes. And yes, they are sprouting in. And last time, I had such a hard time with sprouting my seeds. But now I was like, okay, I probably wasn't putting enough of water. That probably was the main problem. Because now everything's moving along very well right now. So I have 1 that's coming in there. I have another one here. Is there 1 there yet? Yep, there's 1 there that's coming out. And there's 1 that's standing up. That one's standing up right there. And I have one back there. Is that just one that so? Just one that so. And there's nothing in that back one back there just yet. So I'm still happy with my tomatoes. I'm hoping to get 2 more in each pot. That's what I really want. Let's check out these watermelon seeds. Now, I always have a hard time with germinating the watermelon seeds, and I only had 2 more left. So I'm hoping that I can get at least one of them to germinate and have at least one watermelon plant. Let's continue on. And my cabbages. Look at my babies, y'all. So I have 2. The thing about cabbages, they are extremely big plants and very leafy. So you don't want to pick too much in one cell. So 1 to 2 in each cell is perfect. So I have 2 germinated here, 1 there. I'm very happy with. There's nothing here just yet. But I'm hoping to get 1 there and 1 there. If I only have these 3 cabbages, I'm still happy with it. I still take that as a win for me and my family, with my small family. And the last one is cauliflower. So again, I didn't want too many to germinate, but I do have 4 cauliflowers here. It looks like it's about 3 to 4 there, 3 there, and 2 there. So it's a little bit more than what I wanted. I might go ahead and just yank 1 out of there, 1 or 2 out of there to keep it at a minimum, because just like just like the cabbage, the cauliflower and broccoli tend to be very leafy, very big plants when they grow. So you don't want too much of that. And my broccoli is doing an amazing job over here. They're standing tall, they're beautiful. It's 2 in each cell, so I'll have 4 broccoli plants. I'm very happy with that. And let's continue on. The bell pepper. I have no sprouts for my bell pepper just yet, but I'm hoping for the best with that. I have no sprouts for my grape plants back there. I'm hoping that my grapes germinate and sprout as well, but if not, I'm gonna still try again. I have plenty of other seeds. I'll try again until I get it. And I'll eventually get more watermelon seeds too. So I'm about done with talking about that. Let's continue on here. My sweet potatoes still look the same. I'm gonna buy more sweet potatoes in a day or 2. And there's another method of growing the sweet potato slips. So I'm gonna try the other method as well, and that method should be faster from what they told me. So let's move on over to my garlic. I had the lights off all day long. I had it the lights were on from the moment that I transplanted them over to the soil to this morning around 10 o'clock. I turned them off, and I'm getting ready to turn it back on right now as we speak. And I'm going to go ahead and close my greenhouse here and zip that up. It's not too much circulation in there, so through the daytime I tend to, hold on, let me push that tray back a little bit. So through the daytime I tend to keep this up to give it some air circulation. At nighttime, because I turn my AC on, I zip it down to create some humidity and warmth. So let's pause and let me go check on the garlic. And I'm going to turn the lights on so we can see look good over there as well. All right. Let me zoom in a tad bit. My garlics are doing well. I literally just turned these lights on. They've been, like I said earlier, it was off all day. So they're back on now. Let's see. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's see what's going on with that. It looks pretty. Looks healthy. Same thing for that one. That one's pretty long there. That one's super long. That one's doing well, and this one's doing an amazing job as usual as well. I have to add water to this. I forgot to add water earlier, so let me... I have to go get... Hold on, give me 1 second. Since I put a lot of water in it yesterday, today I'm not going to put as much. This is like less than half a bottle of water. Alrighty, saturate that. And tomorrow we'll check on it again and make sure I'm making good headway. This one here in the middle, my struggle one, is still struggling. No green has popped out just yet. I'm hoping that I have 5, but if it's just 4, I'm still happy with the process. This is my first time growing garlic, so I'm still happy regardless, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna zip up this hydroponic door. I can zip this up like so. And I'm gonna check on it in the morning, and I think I'm gonna keep the lights on until like 12 o'clock tomorrow. But again, I'm super happy with how it's going. Tomorrow I might add a little mulch. Maybe I might wait another week before I do that, but I'm happy. God is good all the time, guys. Peace out. They look like they're moving right now. Or is it my hand moving?
Mom.
Yes, baby.
What are you doing?
I'm recording.
What are you recording now? Let me see.
My plants. Have a look at the garlic. You see it, baby? You see they're growing?
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
I wish you'd start growing this right here.
Yeah, I am going to start using the hydroponic towers when my...
I want you to start it now.
No, I can't do it now. We have to leave those sprouts in the nursery a little bit longer. So peace out, guys. Say bye to YouTube. Say bye, Dale.
Bye.
And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.